How to use an Atome Virtual Card. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to use an Atome Virtual Card. First, open the Atome app on your mobile device and log in to your account. If you don't have an account, sign up first. Once logged in, go to the card section in the app. Here, you will find the option to activate your virtual card. Follow the instructions to generate your card. After your virtual card is ready, you can use it just like a regular debit or credit card. It will have a card number, expiration date, and CVV that you can use for online purchases. To make a payment, simply go to the online store where you want to shop. Select your items and choose credit or debit card as the payment method. Enter the card details from your Atome virtual card. When checking out, make sure to select Atome as your payment method if the store offers it. You will then have the option to split the payment into easy installments. Once your purchase is complete, you can track your payments and due dates in the Atome app and manage your virtual card's usage as needed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.